Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, the black Appearanec package, the tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do have a nice tailgate step up there as well. Mud flaps on the rear. A nice gripped running board with a side view camera, turn light indicator mirrors, as well as blind spot detection. Mud flaps on the front. We have a nice hood deflector on the front as well. Two tow hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space with a B&O sound system. You got cup holders ahead of you, a nice little 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs and 120 volt. And of course, if you don't need that extra, ignore that. You can also lift up your seats if you need additional space as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have powered seats, the same leather interior we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space up front. We do have a B&O sound system, parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights, blind spot, and tailgate opener just right there. And this vehicle is equipped with BLUECRUISE as well. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 48 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control right there. Looking right here, you have a leather-wrapped gear shift, speed adjusters, also collapsible. Nice little storage cubby there. Cup holders, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C. Leather-wrapped center console with an interior work surface, as well as it does fold up for more storage underneath as well. We got our drive modes, rear locking differential, four-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, heated front seats, dual climate, 12 volt, 120. Clicking this, you do get storage there, as well as below. Storage above. And we do get this nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy. We have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction. And there's that BLUECRUISE just right there. For your audio, you do get Sirius XM capabilities, phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, or whatever you have selected. Apps in general, any apps you have downloaded. This vehicle is compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB30469, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.